Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In this video, we will discuss how to report an employee, a skilled worker visa employee, to Home Office to cancel their visa status. And then we will discuss how to add or amend a sponsor notes for the Home Office. So for that, we will go on worker screen, select sponsorship duties. After that, from the sponsorship duties screen, select report migrant activity. It will say over here, include absences from work, invalid permission to stay, disciplinary actions, or withdrawal of sponsorship. So for example, if your employee left the country and not contacting you and you have issued the skilled worker visa, you need to inform the Home Office. It says over here, as a sponsor, you have responsibilities to manage the migrant to whom you have assigned COS. These sections allow you to fulfill these responsibilities by reporting migrant activity and manage live COS. Please note, level 2 user can only report on COS which they own. Now from the report migrant activity COS search screen, enter your search parameters. So for example, if you have the cost number, you put that and click next. Otherwise, you can also search your COS employee by their passport number, family name, given name, date of birth. Click next after that. After doing that, you will end up on this kind of a screen, COS search result. So system will look for it and will give you the details according to the search which you have done. So for example, it will show you cost number, cost status used, passport number, family name, given name, nationality, date of birth, gender, and then you will click next. Now from the report new activity drop down menu, choose the appropriate reason. So here it says view and report migrant activity. The migrant activity report is displayed below. To report a new activity, select the type of activity from the drop down list and choose next to continue. So this is the COS number. Make sure the COS number is correct. Do not report someone else who you don't want. Please select. So sponsor, continuing to sponsor migrant worker. Sponsor has stopped sponsoring migrant worker. Change in migrant worker circumstances. For example, they have left or etc. Previous notification withdrawn. We will discuss this later on. And then click next. And from the report migrant activity date and reasons screen, select further reason from the select detail drop down menu. Complete the date and provide full details. So for example, over here says activity type, sponsor continue to sponsor migrant worker. Now you have the options over here from the drop down menu. Relevant date, give full details. So you can add details over here. From 6th April onwards, if you are reporting withdrawal of sponsor, you will be required to enter the last recorded residential address for the student or for the worker. If you have the phone number, you provide that. If you have the email address, you should provide that as well. Click save after that. After that, you will see this screen, view and report migrant activity. You have the COS number, date, sponsor continuing to sponsor migrant worker, report new activity. It gives you the drop down menu and then click next. Now let's discuss how to add or amend sponsor notes. It's very important. So for example, if you wanted to say anything to Home Office, how will you do that? If there is a change in the, for example, you made a mistake or anything, you want, like you have entered the wrong job code or something, you wanted to tell the Home Office, that's what you can do on this screen. So for that, you will go on workers screen, then select sponsor duties. Then from the sponsorship duties screen, select migrant report activity. So you have the option report migrant activity. You can click on this. Then you will search for the COS. So you have two options, COS number, you can search by this, or you can search by the details. If you know the employee passport number, family name, given name, date of birth, you can search employee like that. You will come to this manage live COS screen page where it will say manage the live COS using the buttons below. Sponsor note, to add a note to a COS. For example, to inform us of a spelling mistake in a name or change to a passport number. Withdraw COS, to withdraw COS before it has been used by the migrant in an application for leave to enter. This option is only available for COS with a status of assigned. So you will see this tier 2, like obviously skilled worker visa, COS number, assigned, date of expiry, passport number. At the bottom, you have two options, withdraw COS or sponsor notes. So we'll click on sponsor notes. Then from the edit sponsor note screen, enter the details to add to sponsor note field and select save. On top, it clearly says to edit the sponsor note, add the information required. If you are amending the note, you can either overtype the existing text or additional text. Any text that is overtyped will not be saved. So do not overtype any existing text if it is still relevant. Choose save to confirm your changes or choose cancel to return to previous screen. It will say CUS number, assign, date, all that details, and you will write the details in the sponsor note section. This function can only be used to notify Home Office if any changes before the migrant uses the COS in support of their application. So for example, if the COS is already used, so it says assigned. So when you assign and you make mistake, you can put notes over. But if you have already assigned and the applicant have already applied the COS and the decision maker has already considered the application, these notes will not be any useful. The system will therefore only allow you to add sponsor note to a live COS with status assigned unused. If it's used, you won't see this option. Now from the manage live COS screen, the note you have created will display over here. For example, you can see this sponsor note, migrant date of birth should read like this, not July. Usually what happens when you assign a COS to someone, the start date of work was 1st of January 2025. Now the applicant is applying a visa and the visa will be delayed for like later on, and the work start date may be March. So you can write in the sponsor note that work start date will be March 2025. This is what it means.